Good morning students. We were doing the special cases in the median. So we have already done the cases when the mid values are given. Second, we did inclusive class interval, in which we turned the inclusive class interval into the exclusive. Third case we had done, that was open AND series. Now the fourth one we are going to do, that is the unequal class interval. See here the gap is of 10, then 10 to 30, 20 gap. 30 to 60, 30 gap. 60 to 80, gap is of 20, and 80 to 90, again 10 gap. So that means in this question the class interval are unequal, but in the whenever we will calculate the median, so in such case there is no need to make class interval equal. We will keep it as it is. Simply whatever the median class we will get, from there that class interval we have to write only. So your first step is CF. So 5 plus 15, 20, 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus 8, 58, and 58 plus 2, 60. And this one is also your 60. So now your median is n upon 2 item. So n is 60, 60 upon 2, that means 30th item. Now this 30th item we have to find out in the CF, either equal or greater. So 50 is the greater. So this one is your median class. Now we have to put the values in the formula. So your formula is L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into interval. So now you have to focus in the median class. What is the class interval over here that we are going to put? There is no need to change the class interval or to equal the unequal class interval. So first of all, L1 is 30. So we'll put the value over here. N upon 2, again 30. CF just above 1, that means 20. Upon frequency, what is the frequency in this median class? 30. And the interval, now in this median class, what is the class interval? 30. So we will put over here value 30 only. So after solving this one, you will get the answer 40. So that means in the unequal class interval case, there is no need to change the no need to change the class interval. We can keep it as it is. Whatever the median class you will get, whatever the class interval is given in that median class, we will use the same one. Now the next special case which we are going to discuss, that is the cumulative frequency case. In the cumulative frequency, two cases we are going to discuss. First, less than, and second one is the more than. So now this is your question. The marks are given: less than 5, less than 10, less than 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Number of the students: 4, 10, 20, 30, 55, 77, 95 and 100. Now you can see it is in the increasing order. That means already CF is given to us. So now first of all we have to convert this into the class interval, and then from the CF we want frequency. So now first of all make the class interval less than 5, and the gap is of 5 only there. So that means less than 5, your class interval will be 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35 and 35 to 40. Now this one is your X. Now we have to find out frequency, because CF is already given to you. So we have to deduct from top to the bottom. 4 as it is, 10 minus 4, 6, 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 20, 10, 55 minus 30, 25, 77 minus 55, 20, 95 minus 77, 18, and 100 minus 95, that means 5. If you want to check that these frequencies are correct or not, again you add it from top to the bottom. Your last value will be 100. So this is your CF, this one is your F. Now your first step is n upon 2 item. So the total of the frequency is 100. So now 100 upon 2, that means 50. Now this 50th item we have to see in the CF. This is your CF, greater than or equal. So 50 is not there, but greater than is 55. So this one is your median class. Okay. Now we have to put the values in the formula. So formula is L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into I. So your L1 is 20. N upon 2 right now we have done, that is 50. CF that means just above 1, that means 30. Upon frequency is 25 into interval is of only 5. So your answer is 24. So in the less than case, first of all, less than 5, less than 10, 15, this is your question, and the number of students was given to you, but you can see that this is in the increasing order and the last value is the largest one. So this is CF is given to you, but now you have to convert this CF into frequency. So in the less than case, we have to deduct the CF from top to the bottom. So 4 as it is, then 10 minus 4, 6, 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 20, 10. In this way we will get the frequency. Then class interval you have to make less than 5. Now because the gap is of 5 only there, so less than 5 that means 0 to 5, less than 10 that means 5 to 10, less than 15 means 10 to 15. In this way you have to make the class interval. Now your next step is item we have to find out, that n upon 2 means the total of the frequency divided by 2. So 50th item we got. So 50th item now we have to check it in the CF, either equivalent or greater than. So greater one is 55. So that means this one is your median class. Now we have to put the values in the median, that means in this class interval somewhere your median value is there. So L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into I. So after putting the values in the formula, we got the answer 24. Okay. Now the next question in the cumulative frequency we are going to do with for the more than 0, more than 10, more than 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70, and the number of persons are given to you. See, this is not your CF because CF is always in the increasing order, but this you can see it is in the decreasing order. So now your first step is to convert first of all this one into a class interval. So more than 0 means 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and more than 70 means 70 to 80. See, this column you can make this side also. Now we have to convert these numbers into a frequency, and in the more than we know that we have to deduct from bottom to top. So first of all 8 as it is. Now 28 minus 8, 20, 73 minus 28, 45, 123 minus 73, 50, 165 minus 123, 42, 200 minus 165, 35, 218 minus 200, 18, and 230 minus 218 is 12. Now this one is your frequency. Now we have to convert them into a CF. So CF, simple addition from top to the bottom. 12, 12 plus 18, 30, 30 plus 35, 65, 65 plus 42, 107, 107 plus 50, 157, 157 plus 45, 202, 202 plus 20, 222, and 222 plus 8 is equals to 230. Now you can see this number and this number is same. So now this CF is in the increasing order and your frequency is here. this is your class interval, frequency and CF. Now we have to use these things. Now the total of the frequency 230. So your next step is n upon 2 item. So 230 divided by 2, 115 item. Now this item you have to look in the CF. So this one your frequency, this one is your, this one is CF, this one is frequency, and this one is your median class interval. Okay, now you have to use these values in the formula. So median equals to L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into I. So your L1 is 40, n upon 2 115, CF is just above 1, that means 107, upon frequency 50, and the interval is of 10. So your answer is 41.6. Okay, so that means in the more than case, X was given to us and the number of persons was given to us. But first of all, you have to change these number of persons into frequency by deducting from bottom to top. So last value as it is 8, then 28 minus 8, 20, 73 minus 28, 45, 123 minus 73, 50. In this way we will get the frequency. Then CF in the same manner by adding from top to bottom. Simply you added 12 as it is, 12 plus 18, 30, 30 plus 35, 65, 65 plus 42, 107, 107 plus 50, 157. So in this way you can add and we will get the value. Now you can see the last number of the CF, and in the question the first digit which was given, both are same. This is the way to check that your calculation is correct or not. Next step, n upon 2 item, that means frequency is total divided by 2. That means whatever the item you have got, you have to search it in the CF, either equivalent or greater than, then that will be your median class. So after putting the values in the formula, we got 41.6 answer. So these all are your special cases in the median. Tomorrow we will do the missing frequencies in the median.